Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Are you looking for that perfect Honda Civic, but you just can't seem to find it? You keep looking for them, they're out of stock, they're not available, you just can't get your hands on that perfect low mileage Honda Civic with all the tech that you want without making sacrifices in high miles or something crazy like that. Good news, guys, guess what? Here it is. Let me tell you about it. That's right. This is our 2019 Honda Civic. This is the LX Sensing. The Sensing. Now that is very important what you're going to get with that Sensing, and I am so glad Honda has bought that into their LX line. The Sensing is going to give you eyesight. That's going to give you your adaptive cruise control. Super awesome feature. You can actually set that thing and it's going to pace the car in front of you. So if you're going down the road and someone pulls out in front of you while you got cruise control on the interstate, it will actually slow down, keep a gap with that car. When that car gets out, it'll resume the speed that you set. Very awesome feature. I'm telling you, once you use that adaptive cruise control, you're going to love it. It's a feature I love and have to have. Very awesome feature. You also get collision mitigation. What that's going to do is watch the road for you, because let's face it, sometimes we can get a little distracted, and there are so many other distracted drivers out there. You know the kind of drivers I'm telling you about. That's right. They will pull out in front of you. You don't know. But this thing will actually help you mitigate that collision. You get lane departure warnings and assistance, which means it's going to actually kind of keep you in lane. If it senses that you're drifting off the road just a touch, it's going to give you a warning and then give you a little nudge with the steering wheel to get you back in there. Super awesome feature. Really good thing to have. And of course you have road departure mitigation, which is going to basically get a little aggressive with the steering. Now that works at any speeds up to 45 miles per hour or higher. It's going to keep you in that lane. It's basically going to drive itself, not supposed to, but it's going to keep you in that lane and keep you safe. Very awesome feature. And of course now with the Honda Civic, this is the 10th generation. Of course the Honda Civic is known as one of the most trusted vehicles ever manufactured. The thing has been out since 1972, and they're still making them. This is the 10th generation, which is revered as one of the best generations ever made. It's got that right style. It got rid of that two-tier dash that people weren't crazy about. This is actually very awesome. I'll show you that here in a minute. But this Civic is very spacious inside and out. It is, of course, keyless entry. You do get both of your remotes with this one. You do get your backup camera. Civic's going to give you a ton of space here. Just a ton of trunk space in here. You do have your folding back there, so if you have something large to carry, you can actually just put that in there and it'll go into the back seat. You have a quick release there, so you don't have to get into the car to lower that, which is really important. Trust me, if you have something big to carry, you're going to appreciate that. Very solid cars. Coming back here, you can see you're going to have tons of space to comfortably fit 3 passengers. You can very comfortably fit 3 people back here. I love the size of the Civic. It's just tons of space, and again, super solid. Coming up front here, we're going to have all of our power options. You do get your height adjustable seat, and when you look at the design and the stitching in that seat, I absolutely love that checkerboard stitching through the center there and that gray stitching throughout the seat. Very sharp, very sexy. Love it. Coming up here, there's your road departure mitigation system. You can turn that on and off right there, and you can also set it to have certain sensitivity level, so you can have it very sensitive, a little sensitive, or you can just do it to where it just gives you alerts and doesn't give you brake or steering wheel input. So you can choose how you want that to work for you. There's your adaptive cruise control. Again, I'm telling you, once you have adaptive cruise control, you're never going to want to be without it. It is awesome. You do have duplicate audio controls, so you can change your station, do whatever you need to do without taking your eyes off of the road. Bluetooth, Super important, because in the state of Virginia it is illegal to touch your phone while you're driving, and again, it's going to let all of this eyesight and technology take a break if you use your Bluetooth and keep your eyes on the road. So keep your eyes on the road. Premium audio system, again, you can stream straight to that. Automatic transmission. You do have your electronic emergency brake hold option, which is awesome. And if you don't know how that works, go to my tutorial section and look at my tutorial on brake hold. Very cool. When you come to a stoplight, get to a complete stop, just let your foot off of the brake and relax, and when the light turns red, touch the gas and it releases the brake. Very cool feature. Love that feature too. Again, this thing is overrun with absolute must-have options. There are options that are going to keep you safe. There are options that are going to keep you on the road, and they're going to keep all the other crazy drivers away from you. Very awesome. You do have your chrome accents in this. I absolutely love how they got that chrome accent in there. So the car is actually sleek and sexy, and if you're looking for that perfect way to get back and forth to work or across the country, it doesn't matter, and save some money, this thing is going to get you 30 miles per gallon in the city. That is 30 miles per gallon in the city. 39 miles per gallon on the highway. That's right, 30 in the city and 39 on the highway. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, if you do some hypermiling, you could easily crack 40 miles per gallon in this thing. Absolutely amazing. Now, if you don't want to and you want to have some fun, this car actually has ample power. Very, very strong, very ample on the power end of things. Fun car to drive. The handling is awesome. All the tech you want, everything you need. Factory warranty left on this. This is a one owner car with factory warranty. Again, under 40,000 miles on this thing, in perfect condition inside and out, just waiting for you. At City Motors, we have no processing fees, and I want to say that again, at City Motors we have no processing fees. Do not play these crazy processing fee games. Some of these dealers are getting absolutely ridiculous, especially on the newer inventory with lower miles. They are getting ridiculous on what they're charging for these fees. Do not play the money game. This car is under $25,000 in perfect condition, one owner, factory warranty, waiting for you, no fees. Do not miss this one. Do not miss this one. And dealers don't call me, and rental companies do not call me. The rental companies are getting crazy. They're trying to scarf these things up as soon as they get in, because they can't get them either. Inventory slim. Get here soon. We hope to see you. Thanks for stopping by.